All right, guys, behind me I have a truck with disc brakes. I want to show you what to be looking for when your truck is equipped with disc brakes. So there's a few things I want to go over with on the disc brake system on this Freightliner Cascadia. When you're looking at the disc, you're going to look for two things. One, to see if there are any discoloration. Blue means heat. And then any big cracks that you see, those are indications that you need to replace it if it's cracked. And if you see the blue where too much heat is built up, there could be an issue with the brake chamber or the caliper may be sticking. Then you move over and take a look at the pads. There should be like a little window cut through, and you're gonna see the thickness, and there's a little wear indicator. That if the pad is close to the wear indicator, there's a good chance that you need to replace the pads. Once you go past that, it will make a squealing noise, and you definitely would have to replace the pads. All right, guys, that was everything about the rotors on this system. Hopefully these are great, helpful tips for you. Again, thank you. When you get a chance, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment.